Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Coach David Epsiba here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you two hot Nigerian stock for 2026, right? The best time to buy stock is now, all right? And I did not just choose this stock because I feel like choosing them. No, I choose them because they pass through my technical analysis, my fundamentals, and they are also benefiting from economic event. This is one of the reasons why I'm choosing this stock, right? Actually, fundamental will tell you the kind of stock to buy, but you need to know the right time to buy stock. So a lot of people they buy stock but at the wrong time. Even if you buy bad stocks at the right time, you make money. But when you buy good stock at the wrong time, that's when you will start losing money. So I get a lot of DM most time. I do a stock review, and when people come to my DM and I say, okay, let me see the kind of stock you bought, you are shocked that the kind of stock they bought, most of them may be a very good stock, but it was being bought at the wrong time. At the wrong time. Most people are buying MTN right now. MTN is trading around 600 naira. The best time to buy MTN was around, I'm not even talking about MTN, I'm just using that as an example, right? So the best time to buy MTN was around 2024 when they were having a financial issues, right? But right now, you see that let's even check MTN right now. So let's check MTN right now, right? So you see what I'm saying. Most people did not know the right time to buy stocks, actually. All right. So let me look for MTN Nigeria. Okay, this is MTN Nigeria. Wow. So you see where I marked here, right? It was trading around 300 naira around this region. Let me show you something. Okay, let me take it to one month now so that you see what I'm saying. Okay, so 2024. This is 2024, right? Around this region, 2024. So you see that the best time to buy it was during when it was selling for uh 200, right? 2024 April. Then there was a decline here around November 2024, right? Around November 2024. You see where I mark my counter trend line, right? So let me mark my counter trend line from here. Just give me a minute, please. Yes. So from here now, so you see that there was from here there was a pullback, right, to this uh region, right? So this is the best time to buy, actually, right? Around November, November 2024, it was trading for 170. So where is MTN today? MTN is trading for 605, right? It has touched an all-time high of 605, right? So what am I trying to prove out? What am I trying to say from here is that the best time to buy stock is at the bottom. Many of you now, you are joining in right now. I'm going to wait because whatever goes up comes down, right? So buying MTN right now is overvalued, right? Overpriced, right? I'm going to wait. If there's a pullback, good. If there's no pullback, no problem. There's a lot of opportunities in the Nigerian stock market, right? So why am I saying that you need to learn to buy from the bottom, then sell at the top? Imagine somebody that bought at this zone, right? Find a support around this zone, find a support here, then broke out here, find a support here, touch here, then broke out. You see, now is on uptrend. Most of you are jumping, oh, MTS now 600, you begin to buy. You can buy for a long time, but that's not the right time to buy. The best time to buy is when there's a pullback, right? So I'm just using that as an example, right? So most people buy stocks because maybe they saw it on the news. That's not the time to buy. That's not the right time to buy stock. You buy it at the bottom, you sell at the top, right? So now let's move ahead. Please, disclaimer, this is not a financial advice. Please do well to do your due diligence before you invest your hard-earned money. Very important. Because I've said this stock is a buy now, most of you will go and buy, which is good, but please do your due diligence before you invest your hard-earned money. Very important. And the first stock here is Chams. Why am I choosing Chams? And I'm going to be showing you the reason why I'm choosing Cham actually. So Cham is an IT companies, and if you look at the way fintech is blowing up in Nigeria right now, this is stock to bet on for a long time actually, for a long time. So let's look at Cham technical, right? So let's look at Chams now. We're gonna look at Chams and see what is going on in Chams, right? So this is Cham. Oh, right. wow, boom, this is it, right? So if you see what happened right now, if you know, if find support here around this zone, find support here, find support here, then broke out from here. Now it's uptrend, you see, and based on what I'm seeing right now, it will soon touch the all-time high of 4 naira 63 kobo here, right? So it's on his way, touching this place. And if you touch this resistance trend line, there's nothing stopping Sham from eating 9 to 10 naira, actually 9 to 10 naira. So Sham is a stock to buy, right? Sham, in fact, based on my setup, institutional investors are already pulling this price up. So if you can jump here right now, it's on his way. There's a stock that showed this kind of pattern in my community. I told them this stock is about to touch the previous all-time high. It's on his way. And what happened? In a few days, it touched it, it broke out. And now it's making a lot of money inside our community. That's how to make money. All right. That's how to make money. And one thing you need to realize is that because of the economic regulation right now, the moderation on our FS and all these stocks are emerging from the bottom and they have a high chance of being profitable in the market, right? So let's look at their Q3, right? Let's look at Shams Q3. Okay, Shams Q3. Let's see. Please, if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe to the YouTube channel so that anytime I drop super amazing video like this one you are seeing, you'll be the first to see. So let's look at their revenue, right? Let's look at 2024, 3 months, 3 months, 3 months, 3 months, 3 months. Yeah, 3 months, right? So there's a little decline in their revenue, as you can see it now, from 4.8 to 3.5. I think that's one of the reasons why there was a decline on this stock, right? That was one of the reasons why there was a decline on this stock, right? It got to a point that it was trading around 2 naira, 1 naira, 1 naira 90 kobo, 2 naira last day, right? Because the financial wasn't really interesting. But interesting part right now, they have been cutting down on their losses. So let's go deeper. Let's go deeper. So let's look at their gross profit, right? Their gross profit in 2024 was 870 million to 1 billion. Do you see 1 billion right now? Right? You see that there's a profit, even though their revenue has a little bit of a decree, right? A little bit of reduction, but now you see that gross profit has been increasing, right? Then other operating income, 12, this is 12 million, right? This one was not recorded. So, but if we look at their 9 months now, other operating income, you see that in 2024 it was 3.4, but now it's not 2.9. So there are at least losses profit before transaction. Let's look at their 3 months, right? So 2024 it was 219 million, but right now it's 124, right? Meaning they have from losses of 219 to 124, which shows that they are reducing their cost, right? Finance income here, then we have so their EPS also, their EPS from 19.10, right, to 9 losses, from 19.9 losses to 9.17 gain. So which give us a confidence that this stock is about to emerge from the bottom, right? So this is how to profit from stocks. Don't just buy stock because you saw it online. No, you do your due diligence, right? So subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so. And the second one here is Etranzact. Etranzact is the second stock that we are buying. If you look at this news now, see that FIRS approved Etranzact for nationwide e-invoicing, right? Even though this was around September actually, but because of that, we see a decline in the stock. Let's look at Etranzact, right? Let's look at Etranzact stock. You see what's going on right now. You see what's going on. It's an uptrend already, right? 19 naira, Nigeria. The best time to buy was around 11 naira here, December last day, right? is uptrend right now. But you can see enter around this zone. You can see enter because we're in January already, right? But if there's a pullback, you can decide to mop up, right? So right now, Etranzact is a stock you should hold for 2026. All right. So now I'm inviting you to our stock market masterclass where you'll be learning how to make money from the Nigerian stock market. All this stock you are seeing me mentioning here. And if you have been watching my video, just go back to my videos, right? If you go back to all my videos, this is my YouTube channel, right? So if you go back to all my videos here, right, you see that all these stuff that I mentioned here are already uptrend already, right? This shows that I know what I'm doing in the market, right? So if you look at all these videos now, you see that this stock are already doing very well. Just look at all this stock. Go and watch all this my video. You see that this stock is already up already. I mentioned Ikeja Hotel in one of these videos and see what Ikeja Hotel did, right? So I mentioned Wako. If you go and check, you see that all this stock are already up, right? So watch my videos to see that this guy, you'll be able to understand that I know what I'm doing. I'm not doing a EJ or abracadabra in the market. No, right? So I'm inviting you to a stock market masterclass where you'll be learning how to be profitable and how to make money from the Nigerian stock market, and also how to buy Nigerian stock market. A lot of you do not even believe that you can buy stock with your smartphone. With your smartphone, you can buy your stock, right? So immediately you join us, you have access to all the stock. Right now, we have about 7 stocks, right, inside our community right now. And these are stocks that are emerging from the bottom, right? So if you want to join us now, there's a link on the comment section. Once you open the comment section, the first comment there will be details on how to join our stock market masterclass. So all these 7 stocks we are seeing here, you will never see it in the media. They will not tell you, oh, the best stock. No, they are the reason why this stock is world buy right now is they are emerging from the bottom. So in stock market, you buy at the top, you buy at the bottom, then you sell at the top, right? You buy at the bottom, you sell at the top. You don't jump on at the top. You buy at the bottom, then you sell at the top. That's how to make money from the Nigerian stock market. So if you want to join us now, the link is on the comment section. All right. So also do where to watch all these my videos to confirm my recommendation. You see that most of this stock already they are already up, right? They are already up already. So if you want to join us now, you know what to do. And also don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button so that anytime I drop super amazing video like this one you are seeing, you'll be the first to be notified. And I'm going to see you in the next video. There's a video popping up right now on this channel. Do well to click on it and watch any of them. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.